Hello, welcome back once again to Obumes Hub. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell to be notified on all updates that we put here. So today we are going to learn how to preserve our palm nut, pounded palm nut, so that we can later use it for our palm nut oil or palm nut soup. So please, let's get started. So first of all, we will need our palm nut. Yes, so you pour your water, wash it nicely, and then put it in your cooking pot, and then place on fire for it to cook very well. So from here I added my water to it and place it on fire for it to cook for 30 minutes. After my palm nut was cooked, I placed it in my colander and drained out the water from it, and I placed it in my mortar and I pounded it with my pestle. So yes, that's how I did it. I pounded this for a while until it was very okay for me. Yes, so I went ahead and placed it in my rubber. You can as well put it in your zipper bag. Yes, so we are done. You go ahead and put this in the freezer. This can be in the freezer for as long as you want, months, any duration that you want this to last in the freezer. You can as well strain the water from it, place it in your container or your bottles, and place this as well in the freezer for as long as you want. So after you are ready to prepare your soup or anything, you can go ahead and prepare your palm nut soup. And after preparing the palm nut soup, it can go with your fufu, your kokonte, your emutu. Yes, so delicious. Or you can also eat it with your jam, plantain, or anything of your choice. Thanks for watching, and please be here for more tutorials.